Hey everyone. Today I'm giving you a quick overview of 3D printing methods for metals, polymers and composites. If you're a student looking to dive into the world of 3D printing, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about metals. One popular method is selective laser melting, or SLM. SLM uses a high-powered laser to melt and fuse metallic powders layer by layer. It's perfect for making complex and high-strength parts. Another cool method is electron beam melting, or EBM, similar to SLM. But it uses an electron beam instead of a laser. This makes it great for producing dense and strong metal components. Next, let's move on to polymers. One of the most common methods is fused deposition modeling, or FDM. You've probably seen this one. It extrudes melted plastic filament to build objects layer by layer. It's affordable and perfect for prototypes. Another method you should know is stereolithography, or SLA. SLA uses a laser to cure liquid resin into solid layers. The result? Highly detailed and smooth parts, ideal for intricate designs. Finally, let's talk composites. One interesting method is continuous fiber reinforcement, or CFR. This combines traditional 3D printing with continuous fibers to create super strong and lightweight parts. Then there's laminated object manufacturing, or LOM layers, adhesive-coated materials like paper or plastic, and fuses them with heat and pressure. It's great for creating large and durable parts quickly. So there you have it. A quick overview of 3D printing methods for metals, polymers and composites. Each method has its own strengths and applications, so there's a lot to explore. If you're interested in 3D printing, start experimenting and see what you can create. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy printing!